Hi guys, I'm now here at the resting area of Mount Pinatubo. Today I started around 6 in the morning. I registered at the foot of the mountain. Then we started our trek at around 7 in the morning. You have to ride a 4x4 for 1.5 hours. Then by foot, you're supposed to walk by 2 hours. I'm taking a 10 to 15 minutes rest because for my understanding it's very near. According to my tour guide, 15 more minutes and we're at the top of Mount Pinatubo. Guys, this is one of the famous attractions, adventure, here in Mount Pinatubo. If you have time, you try to do this. It's more fun in the Philippines. It's more fun in Mount Pinatubo. Bye guys!